Hello students, I welcome you all to your fourth revision video class. In today's class, we are going to revise the topic chapter 4 climatic variations. Children, our earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air called the atmosphere. The conditions within the atmosphere keep changing from time to time. Children, do you remember what is weather? Yes, weather is the condition of atmosphere of a place over a short period of time. The weather may change from day to day and even from hour to hour. Children, what is weather? Weather is the condition of atmosphere of a place over a short period of time. Do you remember children? What is climate? Yes, the climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Children, the weather is the condition of wind, air pressure, temperature, rainfall, and humidity at a particular place over a short period of time. It may change every day. However, the climate of a place may take thousands of years to change. Climate is the average weather condition of a particular place over a long period of time, usually more than 30 years. Children, different places in the world have different types of climate. The climate of a place affects the people living there in many ways. The food, dress, houses, occupation, and the way of life of the people are all connected with the climate of the place. Children, what is climate? Yes, climate is the average weather condition of a particular place over a long period of time. Children, next we are going to discuss about factors causing climatic variations. The factors that influence the climatic conditions of a place are latitude or distance from the equator, altitude or height above the sea level, distance from the sea, direction of winds, and humidity. Children, let us revise about these factors in detail. Children, first one, latitude or distance from the equator. The equator is an imaginary circle that runs around the middle of the earth. Children, you see this image? The sun's rays fall directly over the equator. Therefore, these regions have a hot and wet climate throughout the year. As we move away from the equator, the sun's rays are spread out over a large area. Children, see this image. Near the equator, the rays fall vertically, but near the poles, they are slanting. Hence, the polar regions have a cold and freezing climate. Children, here have days are longer near the equator than near the poles. Children, we can divide the earth into three climatic zones or heat zones on the basis of the difference in temperature and rainfall. Children, name the three climatic zones of the earth. Yes, torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Children, first one, what is torrid zone? The torrid zone lies on both sides of the equator. This zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn in the south. Children, the torrid zone climate is hot and humid throughout the year because the sun's rays fall directly on this area. Children, this region is also called the torrid zone or tropical zone. Children, what is the climate of the torrid zone? Yes, hot and humid climate of the torrid zone throughout the year. Children, next one, temperate zone. The areas lying between the torrid zone and the frigid zone in both the hemispheres are called the temperate zones. As this area is away from the equator, it is neither very hot nor very cold. Children, next one, frigid zone. The area between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere is called the frigid zone. This area is very cold because it is very far away from the equator. They are the coldest places on the earth. In winter, sometimes the sun is not visible at all. The polar regions are covered with snow and ice almost throughout the year. Children, what is the climate of the frigid zone? Yes, the climate of the frigid zone is very cold. Children, next one, altitude or height above the sea level. The height above the sea level is called the altitude of a place. Children, you might have observed that when you go to a hill station, the temperature decreases gradually as you go higher and higher up the hills. This implies that as the altitude of a place increases, its temperature decreases. Children, how does altitude affect the climate of a place? Altitude refers to the height above sea level. Temperature decreases with increasing height above sea level. This makes the higher areas to have lower temperatures than the lower areas. Children, next one, distance from the sea. Water heats up and cools down slower than land. This affects the climate of places near the sea. Places near the sea have a moderate climate. What climate? A moderate climate. This is because of the cool breeze coming from the sea. Places far away from the sea are hotter in summer and colder in winter. For example, Mumbai is located on the coast and has a moderate climate compared to Delhi, which is located far away from the ocean. Children, next one, direction of winds. What is wind? Yes, air in motion is called wind. It is caused by the uneven heating of the atmosphere. The climate of a place is also determined by the direction of the wind. They may be hot, cool, or full of moisture depending on where they come from. If the wind blows from the cold region, it makes a place cold. The winds coming from a hot region makes a place hot. Children, how does direction of winds affect the climate of a place? The direction of winds affect the climate because they create the way hot and cold air from the surrounding places. Children, next one, humidity. What is humidity? Humidity is the amount of moisture or water vapor present in the air. Children, sometimes during a hot summer day, you sweat a lot. This happens because the atmosphere has a lot of water vapor in it, and we say that the weather is humid. Humidity depends on both the distance of a place from the sea and the wind direction. A place close to the sea is more humid. Children, deserts are formed in places where there is very little humidity and so very little rain throughout the year. Children, how does humidity affect the climate of a place? Humidity occurs due to the presence of water vapor in air. Let us recall what we have learned so far. We have learned about climatic variations. Children, we have learned weather. What is weather? Yes, weather is the condition of atmosphere of a place over a short period of time. Children, next we have learned climate. What is climate? Yes, the climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Children, next we have learned factors causing climatic variations. Children, what are the different factors that affect climate? Yes, distance from the equator, height above the sea level, distance from the sea, direction of winds and humidity. Children, next we learn climatic zones. Name the three climatic zones of the earth. The three climatic zones of the earth are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Okay children, now we are going to discuss the chapter 4 book exercise. Copy this answer in your book. Children, first one, tick the correct option. First question, the height of a place above sea level is called dash. Option A, longitude. Option B, altitude. Option C, latitude. Children, what is the answer? Yes, option B, altitude. The height of a place above sea level is called altitude. And second question, the dash between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn remains hot throughout the year. Option A, torrid zone. Option B, temperate zone. Option C, frigid zone. Children, what is correct answer? Yes, answer is torrid zone. The torrid zone between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn remains hot throughout the year. Children, third question. The amount of dash present in air is called humidity. Option A, water. Option B, water vapor. Option C, ice. What is correct answer? Yes, option B, water vapor. The amount of water vapor present in air is called humidity. Children, fourth question. Global warming is caused due to dash. Option A, greenhouse effect. Option B, ocean currents. Option C, both A and B. What is correct answer? Yes, option A, greenhouse effect. Children, fifth question. A city is expected to experience moderate type of climate if it is located dash. Option A at the equator, option B near the sea, option C at the poles. What is correct answer? Yes, option B near the sea. Children, next one, state whether the following statements are true or false. First question, the temperature of a place decreases as the distance of the place from the equator increases. What is answer? Yes, true. Second question, altitude of a place does not affect its climate. What is answer? Yes, answer is false. Third question, frigid zone is the region that lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. What is answer? Yes, false. Fourth question, climate is defined as the average of weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. What is answer? Yes, answer is true. Fifth question, carbon dioxide traps the energy of the sun, causing global warming. What is answer? Yes, true. Children, next we are going to discuss the worksheet. Check your answers. First one, choose the correct answer. First question, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called dash. Option A, water vapor. Option B, biosphere. Option C, atmosphere. What is answer? Yes, option C, atmosphere. Second question, the rays of the sun fall vertically on the dash. Option A, poles. Option B, equator. Option C, Tropic of Cancer. What is answer? Yes, answer is option B, equator. Third question, at the equator, the rays of the sun are dash. Option A, direct. Option B, slanted. Option C, weak. What is answer? Yes, option A, direct. Children, fourth question. How many heat zones are there? Option A, 3. Option B, 6. Option C, 5. What is answer? Yes, option A, 3. The frigid zone lies between dash. Option A, the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. Option B, the Tropic of Cancer and the North Pole. Option C, the equator and the Tropic of Cancer. What is answer? Yes, answer is option A, the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. Children, sixth question. The main factors which determine the climate of a place are dash. Option A, distance from equator. Option B, distance from the sea level. Option C, all of this. What is answer? Yes, answer is all of this. Seventh question, which of these zones receive the maximum heat from the sun? Option A, tropical zone. Option B, frigid zone. Option C, temperate zone. What is answer? Yes, option A, tropical zone. Children, eighth question. The average weather condition of a place over a long period of time is called dash. Option A, climate. Option B, weather. Option C, atmosphere. What is answer? Option A, climate. Ninth question. The climate in the torrid zone is dash. Option A, cold. Option B, hot and wet. Option C, hot and dry. What is answer? Yes, option C, hot and dry. Children, 10th question. This zone lies between 23 and of degree north and 66 and of degree north dash. Option A, the north frigid zone. Option B, the north torrid zone. Option C, the North Temperate Zone. What is answer? Yes, answer is option C, the North Temperate Zone. Children, second Roman. Fill in the blanks. First question, the dash is the state or condition of the atmosphere at a place over a long period of time. Yes, correct answer is climate. Climate is the state or condition of the atmosphere at a place over a long period of time. Children, second question. Place near the sea and other water bodies have dash humidity. Answer is high humidity. Place near the sea and other water bodies have high humidity. Third question. The amount of water vapor in the air is known as dash. Answer is humidity. The amount of water vapor in the air is known as humidity. Fourth question. Height above the sea level is called the dash of a place. Answer is altitude. Height above the sea level is called the altitude of a place. Fifth question. The heat zones that lies between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn is called the dash. Answer is torrid zone. The heat zones that lies between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn is called the torrid zone. Sixth question. Weather is the state of dash over a short period of time. Answer is atmosphere. Weather is the state of atmosphere over a short period of time. Seventh question. The dash zone is commonly known as the polar region. Answer is frigid zone. The frigid zone is commonly known as the polar region. Children, third Roman, write true or false. First question, places that lie near the sea usually experience high humidity. Answer is true. Second question, climate is defined as the average weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. Answer is true. Third question, the earth can be divided into 3 heat zones. Answer is true. Fourth question, New Delhi is very hot in winters and very cold in summers. Answer is false. Fifth question, weather does not change from place to place. Answer is false. Sixth question, humidity is the amount of water vapor in air. Answer is true. Seventh question, the climate of a place can change daily. Answer is false. Eighth question, the torrid zone is also called the tropical zone. Answer is true. Ninth question, people travel to the hills during winter. Answer is false. 10th question, the extremely cold zone on the earth is torrid zone. Answer is false. Children, fourth Roman, match the following. Divided into 2 columns. And in the right side, the question part. First question, weather. Second one, climate. Third question, heat zone. Fourth question, temperate zone. Fifth question, frigid zone. The answer part, option A is extremely cold, option B torrid zone, option C short period of time, option D long period of time. Option E has moderate climate. First question, weather. The correct answer is option C, short period of time. Second question, climate. The correct option is option D, long period of time. Third question, heat zone. The correct answer is option B, torrid zone. Fourth question, temperate zone. The answer is option E, has moderate climate. Fifth question, frigid zone. The correct option is option A, is extremely cold. Children, now we are going to learn question answer for chapter 4, climatic variations. Write this question answer in your classwork note. Children, first Roman, answer the following questions. First question, define A, weather, B, climate. First one, A, weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. The weather of a place keeps changing every day or every few days. It can be sunny, windy, cloudy, or rainy, depending upon the place where we stay. So, the weather may change from day to day and even from hour to hour. Next one, B, climate. Climate is the average weather condition of a large area over a long period of time. Children, different places in the world have different types of climate. The climate of a place affect the people living there in many ways. Their food, dress, house, occupation, and the way of life of the people are all connected with the climate of place. Children, second question. Name the 3 heat zones of the earth. Children, the earth can be divided into 3 climatic zones depending on the amount of heat received from the sun. They are the torrid zone, the temperate zone, and frigid zone. Children, climatic condition of torrid zone is hot, wet, and humid climate. Next, temperate zone. This region has moderate climate all year round. And frigid zone are covered with snow throughout the year, making it the coldest region on earth. Third question, what is humidity? Humidity is the amount of moisture or water vapor present in the air. It is caused due to evaporation of water from the earth's surface. Next, fourth question. What is global warming? What are its causes? Global warming refers to an average increase in the Earth's atmospheric temperature, which in turn causes change in climate. It is result of the greenhouse effect caused due to an increase in the level of certain gases like carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Fifth question, explain the factors affecting climate. Different places in the world have different type of climate. The climate of a place affects the people living there in many ways. The clothes they wear, the food they eat, and the types of house they live in are all affected by the climate. The factors that determine the climate of place are distance from the equator, height above sea level, distance from the sea, winds, and humidity. What are the different factors that affect climate? Distance from the equator, height above sea level, distance from the sea, winds and humidity. Children, I will send this question answer through PDF file. Copy the question answer in your classwork note. Children, write neatly and clearly in your classwork note. Children, I hope you all understand this chapter. Children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.